BSC News, latest news and developments. Check this out. News on BSC News and also today's NFT Moneybag alert. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing financial awareness to that crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure that bell notification is lit. We got 17 days away from this mint, September 14th, 2022. We're going to get into these NFTs in just a bit, but I want you guys to make sure it's confirmed Whitelist members get 25% off mint, paying a 0.3 BNB instead of a 0.4 BNB. This is epic right here because I spoke to Tom. Big shout out to Tom. I've been bugging him, trying to get on the team. I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos. I want my whitelist spot so I can get one of these NFTs, and we're going to see exactly why I want one. We got BSC News NFTs, a unique collection of 10,000 NFTs coming soon. Join this Discord. This is how you're going to get a whitelist spot, okay? What is the BSC News NFTs? 10,000 premium access memberships that grant holders access to perks all around BNB chain. To be honest with you, that is an understatement because I had got some details and it's a lot more than that. And we're going to go ahead and break down what's a lot more than that. Shout out to you Feggers. We see you up on this page. We got this epic roadmap. This roadmap outlines our goals and where we want to take BSC News NFTs. We have a lot of ideas and concepts that we are working on, and that is very, very true. So we got launch date to be announced soon. Hopefully you have that bell notification lit because now we know it's in 17 days and you guys would not miss out on a whitelist opportunity. We got community giveaways. We want to be working closely with other NFT projects, and we'll host giveaways of top NFT projects, and also will offer exciting whitelist opportunities for upcoming NFT launches. These are some of the NFT projects and launches that you are not going to want to miss out on because we know that NFT news is, highly connected and does its thing when it comes to this crypto space. We got NFT merch, right? We got the merchandise drop. What is an NFT project without merch? So our beloved exclusive members can rock it. Oh, and be a walking ad. I won't mind. I'll cop some merch and I'll definitely walk around here in Las Vegas and let people know all about BSC News. And of course, these epic NFTs that when we get into these collaborations, and I'll break down a little bit more as well, you're going to see why they're so epic. All right, we got collaborations. We have already secured some exciting collaborations with top tier projects in the ecosystem. We aim to continue building relationships with other projects in and outside of crypto to bring huge perks and utilities to our members. And I'm going to let you guys know a little bit more about that because, like I said, I spoke to Tom, and that's going to be basically where by owning one of these BSC News NFTs, you could basically go and interact with other projects and other NFT communities by holding this NFT from BSC News, because they're going to be having so many collaborations that you'll be able to use this one BSC News NFT to do a lot of other things on this ecosystem. We got future drops. Stay tuned for that. And we got a gaming guild. That's right. We are creating our own gaming guild and giving access to our members to be able to play games without having to purchase different NFTs. That's a little bit what I spoke about right there. So that one NFT is going to let you play a lot of different games. We aim to define the blockchain gaming culture and recruit top tier gamers. And that's going to be easy to do with one NFT being, letting them get all this new exposure to all these other projects. Maybe they didn't have the funds to buy this NFT, that NFT. Maybe they just want to test it out with one NFT. They do that with BSC News NFT, of course, and they get access to a whole bunch of different games and a whole bunch of different ecosystems and communities, of course. So we're going to be waiting on this. Of course, when they launch, we'll know how rare they are, the legendaries and whatnot. Want to be on our the whitelist for our upcoming collection? Make sure you join the NFT, the BSC News NFT. Join their Discord and let Tom know that I sent you guys there. Smash that like button, subscribe, leave some bullish comments down below. Let's see how many likes we can get on this video and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.